keyboard punya juga Nasrat Hospital hak singiu belai kapan pau kemat menteri ketanat koi kakya pa ial hek halo ke jing e bikendu hanin kesengi banyo ek oksigen nam tai bapang covid ya kini 8 pau stanurin administrator hak jini jurab jong menteri ke hostel rekat ke jodan lang DHS Dr. Amanwar mani ai masim gidong sumar boro kiblatre barba mas sumar kitu bermenta ke jengkon ya kalam covid.
Yesterday we had a real crisis and Dr. Amanwar helped us for time being for the crisis, and now we are facing real problem with the oxygen. It has to come from Guwahati, from other places. We are arranging the oxygen.
The government has taken decision today. If anything which is shortfall of the oxygen, they will supplement from the government. So the Dr. Amanwar DHSMI already given responsibility to ensure that any other private hospital or all the public hospital also will be given supplement from the government only. Iwan nagtaga daw hi ben ong bangi nagaliang jong sarkar ni adon ketilang but ki private hospital nagabenta ben ai ki jingirap ki jingnon kam ke jongki tinada daw iwan menta ben UI ba ka igi jingdona bagi kendo tadi nagtaga daw ngi kwa ba ka private hospital ru ki di benum dan kano kano ke jing ben ai ke jing sumari ya ki tu ki normal patient bar ke ju poru ya ki positive patient.